So in step 5 of the finance suite, we start to dive in and get access to revolving credit accounts. Now, there's a lot of things going on in this step that I want to walk through in this quick video. The first thing is do not skip ahead. We tell you clearly in each step how many trade lines that you need to be able to get accounts in that step. And it's very important that you follow that and acknowledge that you do have them if you do, and don't acknowledge them if you don't. So, I had a client once that's a buddy of mine that I let in, and he said, "This doesn't work. I applied and got denied." And what we found was that he actually misspoke. He told our advisors that he had more trades than he had. He acknowledged that he had more trades than he had, and he went in and got denied. That's exactly what will happen if you do the same thing. The reason that we tier these steps, the reason that we have Step 5, Step 6, Step 7, Round 1, Round 2, Round 3, Round 4, is because we're telling you, look, not all stores are created equal. Some stores will approve you with only 6 trades, like Amazon, for example, while others will not approve you until you have 10 trades, or 8 trades, or 12 trades. And that's why we tell you this in these steps. This is one of the most common reasons people get denied and waste a lot of time applying for business credit and not getting approvals, because they skip ahead. They say, I have 5 or 6 accounts, and now I'm going to go to Sam's Club to get approved. Well, they apply a Sam's Club and they get denied. Well, the problem with stuff like that is that those applications can take you 10 to 15 minutes to complete. And if you're going in and just randomly trying to choose sources to apply for and applying and spending 10 or 15 on every source and getting denied, it can cause great frustration and waste tremendous amounts of time. Remember, our goal here is to take years of business credit building and condense it into only months. One of the main ways we do that is to teach you this tier system of exactly what you can get based on how many trades you have. This is why the step-by-step system is so effective, because here in this step, if you have 6 trades that you're able to get approved for all of these, and that if you went to the next step and skipped ahead to step 6, that if you didn't have the necessary trades to be able to get approved for these accounts, the 10 trades, then you wouldn't get approved. So you could come in and try to get approved for the Walmart commercial credit card when you only have 6 trades and you get denied. This is exactly why this tier system is so important, that you're going to want to go through this step by step. So another thing I want to point out here in all the steps is that each source will give you a lot of great information. First, it teaches you which reporting agencies the account reports to. This is a big deal. If you ever have a choice between an account reporting to multiple reporting agencies or one, always go with the one that reports to multiple reporting agencies, because the more trade lines you establish with the different reporting agencies, the more credit you're going to get. The second thing is that if you ever see trades that get a report to Equifax, get that account, because not a lot of trade lines, not a lot of credit issuers report to Equifax. So it's very difficult to build your Equifax commercial report. So if you see ones that report to Equifax, make sure you get those accounts. Very valuable. Of course, we describe the products and services that they sell, but this is very important, what you need to qualify. What happens is we have several safeguards here. We have our tier system, the step-by-step system for you to know which accounts to apply for in which order. We also gray out versus this color here. We gray it out if we know you don't have enough trades to get approved. And we also give you this detailed underwriting guidelines so you'll know you can get approved before you even apply. Well, that's very important, because by following the steps, by making sure you only apply for ones with this color and not gray, by making sure you meet the requirements here in the underwriting guidelines, you're going to know you can get approved. And again, knowing you can get approved is how you navigate through these steps really, really quickly, because you're able to see this is clearly an account I can get approved for, follow the steps to apply, and actually be successful. So dive in and start getting to work on finding accounts that you could benefit from as you build your business. Go through, make sure that you have enough trade lines to actually apply before you start applying. Make sure you read the underwriting descriptions that are available, and start getting accounts. And as you get more accounts, we can then move you to the next tiers. I think next tier at this point, round 3, requires 10 trades, but again, this changes all the time. So keep an eye on how many trades you need to move to the next step, and make sure that you're monitoring your business credit using the Build My Business, the report dashboard, our integration right here. It's the cheapest and most cost-effective way to monitor your business credit reports. Then you can see the accounts on there, verify you have the 6, and dive in and start applying here in step 5.